Earn $1,108 listening to Spotify music for absolutely free. Hi guys, in this video I am back with a brand new method, and using this method you guys can actually end up making so much money for yourself. All that you guys need is just your smartphone or your laptop or your computer, and that is pretty much it. You guys don't need any money whatsoever to get started, and you guys absolutely need no investment whatsoever for you guys to use this method. All that you guys need to do is simply watch this video till the very end and not skip a single part, and you guys will be able to make good money for yourself. And also you guys don't need to buy any course or anything like that. All that you guys need to do is again just watch this video till the very end and not skip anything, and I assure you guys that you guys are going to be able to make really good money by just simply listening to Spotify music. So without wasting more time, let's jump into step number 1. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you guys to open up Spotify on your computer. So as soon as you guys have Spotify opened up, all of you guys know the Spotify interface. This is how the Spotify interface looks like, and over here you guys can basically see all of the different genres of songs that are available on Spotify. You guys have so many genres over here, ranging from lo-fi beats to romance music to rock music to summer to mood to workout. Like, there are just so many different options, as you guys can clearly see over here. Now from the left side, if you guys were to just simply take a look at some of the playlists that I have over here, these are all of my playlists over here that I usually listen to. Now imagine that you guys have playlists over here on Spotify, and you guys can literally make money by just simply listening to these songs or just simply getting other people to listen to these songs. I know it sounds too good to be true, and I know you guys are not going to believe me, but I assure you guys that this is going to work for you, because there is actually a website that is going to pay you guys for just listening to these songs. The website is this one. I'm not going to tell you the name just yet, but I assure you guys that this website is going to help you make so much music. Now over here you guys can see the overall interface of this particular website. This looks so professional and this looks so nice that honestly I absolutely love this particular website. So now from over here you guys can literally just start to make money by simply clicking on the top on submit music, and once you guys click on submit music, you guys can basically see over here that you guys can make money with it. So over here you guys can see that they are working with YouTube, Apple Music, 95.8 Capital FM, and also so many other streaming services as well. And over here you guys can also see that these are free music submissions for their YouTube and social media platforms. They also have community members over here and media professionals over here as well. So now from over here, simply click on learn more on Are You a Spotify Curator, and over here you guys can basically see that you guys can monetize and make money. Now over here, this is how much money you guys can make. If you guys were to submit 200 to 500 songs, you guys can make upwards of up to 100 euros. If you guys were to submit 500 to 1,000 songs, you guys can make 200 euros and more and more. Now I know that sounds like a lot of songs, but guys, one of these Spotify playlists easily has like a lot of songs. So like for example, this particular playlist has 60 songs. You guys can find, let's say, like 10 to 20 playlists in the span of like 5 minutes, and you guys can easily submit 1,000 to 2,000 songs for just 400 euros in like 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Now I know this all sounds too good to be true, and I know you guys are impatient to actually get to see what the name of the website is, but trust me guys, just bear with me, because first I have to tell you exactly what the method is about, because if I don't tell you anything, well then I'm gonna put you guys at risk of actually not making any money with this method. Now over here you guys can also see that how you can promote your submission tool to earn big. Now coming back to Spotify, what you guys need to do is simply click on create playlist from the left side, and then after that you have to name this playlist to my Spotify curation. Now once you guys click on my Spotify curation, after that you guys are going to be able to of course see all the Spotify playlists that are present over here, and you guys can of course just simply add in songs over here. So now from over here you guys can basically pick some of the best songs out there, such as for example the songs that you like. So in my case I might like this song a lot, so I'm gonna basically click on these 3 buttons. I'll click on add to playlist, and then after that I will choose my Spotify curation. So now over here you guys can see that that particular song is now in my Spotify curation list. Okay, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually add in songs to your Spotify curation list, and honestly it doesn't take much time. It's just a matter of patience, and you guys can make good money. And now from over here, now you guys can actually understand how easy it is to make money, because honestly, like 1000 to 2500 submissions is literally nothing, and you guys honestly don't need any more money than that. So now from over here, what you guys need to do is simply click on apply now. And once you guys click on apply now, it's gonna take you guys over to the curator application. Now once you guys come on to the curator form, now from over here, what you guys need to do is simply choose all the relevant options. Now firstly, put in your email address, your curator name, make sure it's the exact name as per your ID card, because of course if the name is different, then you might have problems verifying your identity on this particular website. From over here, choose Spotify, and then after that, paste the link of your Spotify playlist, which has a minimum of 500 songs, because if you want to make good money, you need to have a lot of songs in your Spotify playlist. After that, from over here, type in 200, because the higher submission number that you guys put, the more money you are at the chance of making. So once you guys have put that, after that, check all of these genres, because of course the more genres you offer, the more chance you have of making money. And over here, you guys can basically put in just a random figure, let's say 50,000, because of course they're not gonna check. And then after that, just simply leave this blank or type in nothing. Then click on submit, and they are going to reach out to you guys once they are done with basically checking up your Spotify playlist. And then after that, you guys are going to be able to make 200 to 300 euros every single day if you guys keep on doing what I told you guys, which is to find good songs, add them to your playlist, and then just let that website do its work, and you will be able to make really good money. Now this method is brand new, so make sure to do this right after you guys watch this video, because if you guys don't do this right after, well then this process might get a bit too saturated, and then it might become hard for you guys to actually penetrate the market. So make sure to start right away, and I assure you guys that you guys are going to be able to make an income for yourself. So guys, over here you guys can also see that curators can make anywhere between 20,000 to 40,000 euros. So like all in all, this is an amazing opportunity, and you guys should get started right away. And guys, in the end, I would just like to say one more thing, that if you guys found this method helpful, and if you guys think that this method actually works, if you guys feel like this method is the perfect one for you, then be sure to share this method with your friends and family as well, because then all of your loved ones are also going to be able to make money alongside you. Because what's the fun in making money if you don't have the people you love around you making money as well? So what you need to do is that you need to share this video to your family's WhatsApp group, to your friends' WhatsApp groups, and also to your Instagram DMs as well, so all of those people could also make money. Because in the end, if you guys are all making money yourself, well then it's gonna be very, very fun, and you all are gonna become millionaires together. Now guys, this method also covers all the basics of how you can get started with these softwares or these make money online methods. And honestly, if you follow this step by step, then honestly you won't run into any problem. And again, one last thing, if you guys run into any problem, if you guys feel like you did not understand something, well you guys can just simply watch this video again once and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, then watch this video again and again till you guys completely understand, because sometimes you might miss this stuff, so it's always better to watch these videos again and again. And similarly, also tell your friends and family as well to watch this video again if they don't understand anything, because they covered everything. So everything that you need to know must be in this video. If you don't get it, well then simply watch this video again and you guys will definitely understand it. Again, in the end, I would just like to give you my well wishes. I hope that this method works for you and you guys are actually able to do what you want to do with these particular methods. Again, it's not gonna take much time, it's only gonna take a few minutes, so definitely give this video a quick rewatch if you don't understand anything, and good luck.